For 76 years, we taught the world that there were 9 planets, but in a single afternoon, Pluto was stripped of its title, leaving us with 8. Today, we're unpacking the scientific crisis that led to Pluto's demotion and why this shift changed our understanding of the solar system forever. In 1930, Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto, and it was immediately labeled the 9th planet because, at the time, we had no idea how crowded the outer solar system was. For decades, Pluto remained a lonely outlier, appearing much larger than it's because of our limited telescopic technology. However, in the early 2000s, astronomers began finding other icy objects in the Kuiper Belt, a massive ring of debris beyond Neptune. One object, Eris, was particularly concerning because it appeared to be even more massive than Pluto. This forced the International Astronomical Union to ask a fundamental question: if we include Pluto as a planet, do we also have to include these dozens of other similar objects? To solve this, the IAU established 3 strict criteria for a planet. It must orbit the Sun, it must have enough gravity to pull itself into a spherical shape, and most importantly, it must have cleared its neighborhood of other debris. Pluto orbits the Sun and is definitely round, but it fails the 3rd requirement spectacularly. Because Pluto resides in the Kuiper Belt, it shares its orbital path with thousands of other icy bodies. It simply hasn't exerted enough gravitational dominance to clear its own lane, which relegated it to a new category, the dwarf planet. You might be surprised to learn that Pluto isn't alone in this fate. It's joined by other world series, Haumea and Makemake. But just because Pluto isn't a major planet anymore doesn't mean it's boring. Pluto has 5 moons, a thin atmosphere, and a surface featuring massive mountains made of water ice. Could there be even larger hidden worlds lurking further out in the dark reaches of space? We'll touch on that mystery in just a moment. Ultimately, Pluto didn't change, but our definition of the solar system did, transforming from a simple 9-planet model into a vast, complex neighborhood. Science isn't about maintaining tradition. It's about evolving our classifications as our data improves. If you enjoyed this cosmic breakdown, and comment below, do you think Pluto should be reinstated? Or was the decision correct?